I swear I lose my TV remote every single day, and my dog has been known to chew up a few remotes in his time. Well, our roof vent, our RecPro roof vent here, is conveniently comes with a remote. But what happens when you lose that remote? Are you going to have to find a universal replacement or something? No, you don't have to. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and I'm here to tell you guys all about our replacement RV roof vent remote. So this remote is compatible with our RecPro Vento Roof Vents. This remote is made out of a hard, durable plastic, and its product code is RP-2028. Like I said, it's made out of a hard, durable plastic, and it has nice rubber buttons that are pretty large and really easy to press. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimensions of this up here on the screen for you. So this remote allows you to control your roof vent. It allows you to turn it off and on, open and close, have the lid go in and out. It also allows you to set it to an auto mode or trigger the rain sensor so it can detect when rain is coming. And it allows you to control the fan speed and the temperature. This remote runs off of 2 AAA batteries, and it conveniently comes with a wall mount, so you don't have to worry about losing it. The screen is a bright LCD screen, and it shows you how strong the connection is between your remote and your roof vent. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out the link down in the description below. And while you're there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.